Today I am reviewing Cuisinart ICE30BCP1 ice cream maker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you love desserts and have ever wanted to create your own ice cream, frozen yogurt, or sorbet at home, the Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker ICE30BCP1 is one of the best investments you can make for your kitchen. This machine is designed for both convenience and high performance, giving you professional quality results without requiring any special skills or complicated setup. Whether you're making classic flavors, experimenting with creative combinations, or whipping up frozen treats for family and friends, this ice cream maker truly delivers. The first thing you'll notice about the Cuisinart ICE30BCP1 is its double-insulated freezer bowl, which has a generous 2-quart capacity. That's enough to make a large batch of ice cream or frozen yogurt for multiple servings, perfect for parties or family gatherings. Unlike older machines that require ice and salt, this model simplifies the process. You simply chill the freezer bowl in advance, add your ingredients, and let the machine do the work. Within 30 minutes, you'll have perfectly churned, creamy ice cream, which is ideal if you have last-minute dessert cravings. One standout feature of this ice cream maker is its fully automatic motor. This heavy-duty motor handles the mixing for you, ensuring a smooth and consistent texture every time. The mixing paddle evenly incorporates all the ingredients while churning, which helps prevent ice crystals and creates that rich, creamy texture you expect from high-quality ice cream. Whether you're making custard-based ice cream, a light sorbet, or tangy frozen yogurt, the motor ensures professional results without you having to lift a finger. The large ingredient spout is another thoughtful feature that makes this machine particularly convenient. You can add nuts, chocolate chips, fruit, or candy pieces while the machine is running, so you don't have to stop and restart. This allows for continuous mixing and ensures that your mix-ins are evenly distributed throughout your dessert. For anyone who enjoys experimenting with flavors, this is an absolute game changer. From a design perspective, the Cuisinart ICE30BCP1 is both sleek and functional. The brushed stainless steel exterior gives it a modern, professional look that fits beautifully into any kitchen. Its compact footprint makes it easy to store, while retractable cord storage keeps your countertops clutter-free. Despite its size, it's durable and robust enough to handle regular use, making it ideal for households that love desserts or for those who like to entertain frequently. Cleaning and maintenance are also simple. All parts that come in contact with food are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. While hand washing is recommended to preserve the quality of the materials, the cleanup is generally quick and hassle-free. The machine also comes with a replacement lid, a paddle, a double-insulated freezer bowl, and a recipe book that gives you inspiration for a wide variety of frozen desserts. The included recipes make it easy to start experimenting right out of the box. One of the most important aspects of any kitchen appliance is reliability, and the Cuisinart ICE30BCP1 doesn't disappoint. It comes with a limited 3-year warranty, giving you peace of mind that this is a product built to last. Considering its affordable price point and professional quality results, it offers tremendous value for both casual users and dessert enthusiasts alike. This ice cream maker isn't limited to ice cream alone. You can make frozen yogurt, sorbet, sherbet, and even frozen drinks, all in under 30 minutes. Imagine being able to make a refreshing mango sorbet for a summer party or a rich chocolate ice cream for a cozy night at home, all from scratch. With this machine, you control the ingredients, so you can make desserts that are healthier, less processed, and tailored to your taste preferences. Overall, the Cuisinart ICE30BCP1 ice cream maker is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's an invitation to explore your creativity in the world of frozen desserts. It combines ease of use, speed, versatility, and professional quality results in one sleek package. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or a beginner wanting to try your hand at homemade ice cream, this machine will quickly become an essential part of your kitchen. In conclusion, if you want smooth, creamy ice cream, customizable frozen desserts, and the convenience of making them at home in under 30 minutes, the Cuisinart ICE30BCP1 is the perfect choice. Its double-insulated freezer bowl, fully automatic motor, large ingredient spout, and dishwasher-safe design make it a standout product in its category. For anyone who enjoys desserts or wants to bring the ice cream parlor experience into their home, this machine delivers amazing results every time. With a Cuisinart ICE30BCP1, homemade ice cream has never been easier, faster, or more delicious.